Ruby. They like you. Look at all the ducks.
You want to feed the ducks?
Holy cow. Okay, throw it. Throw it. Throw it at the ducks. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're going the other way. What's going on? What's happening? Ruby, you're losing them. They're defecting. They're defecting. Where are they going? Why are they all going over there? What's going on? What's over there?
Birdseed.
Where'd it come from? There's nobody there.
Hey, don't peck her.